I found the problem with the Rawrr Mantis X. It doesn't have a taillight. I've owned this bike for 6 months now, and that's been the biggest problem I've been able to find with it. Now, the front brake did fail at one point, but that could happen to any bike. And Rawrr got back to me within 6 hours when I messaged them at night. I ended up not even needing the part anyways, because I can't go a video without mentioning Logan Taylor hooked me up with one of his extra brakes from his E-Ride Pro, which slided right into the Rawrr Mantis. So that's the quality of brake you're getting with the Rawrr Mantis. The great E-Ride Pro brakes. Everyone loves those. Without any further ado, let's go do some night riding. Whoa! I was gonna ask in my last video why the Mantis doesn't have a taillight, but I'm trying to be more carefree. And here we go. Okay. I want to start off by saying, people in LA, if you're watching this, I hope you are all doing okay. Yeah, I honestly can't imagine what you guys went through, and smoke inhalation like that can take a toll like for months and months after. So I hope you guys are all just taking care of yourselves, and yeah, that things are looking up. Okay, so I found the biggest problem of the Rawrr Mantis X. It's got no taillight. Dark nighting is good and all, but I'm wearing high vis because I don't want to get hit by a car. Honestly, having no taillight though is such a non-issue when you put it against all of the other great things about this bike. This is still, in January 2025, the beginner entry point for e-moto. I couldn't feel more comfortable, and to be honest with you, months before getting this bike, and even after getting this bike, I didn't feel confident taking it over 25 miles an hour. But this bike is so planted, it's so stable, and it just has the perfect amount of power for me to feel comfortable easing into it a little bit more, as well as the tune is great for a beginner. It's the way that the power comes on feels really great to me, and I've definitely ridden some bikes that are by all means considered better for more advanced riders, but I can't handle them, and this bike feels perfect to get started. Alright, little pit stop. This is a crane, and it's not just any crane. It seems like it would be the perfect crane for urban exploration. That's a topic for another video. So you don't have a taillight on your Rawrr Mantis X. Big whoop. I've linked below a product that is plug and play, because they do make it really easy to just purchase one and plug it in. This is not sponsored. I have no affiliate. Oh, is that staircase? I have no affiliation with these folks. It just seems like they made a good product. It seems like it's working, and yeah. So we're at the Northgate Mall. It was shut down for a while, and now it's sort of being renovated. This is the Seattle Iceplex, which is where the Kraken practice. Where the Kraken get cracking, you could say. This is a great location for treachery. Alright, so saw a security guard come out of that bathroom right as I was setting this camera up. So if he stuck around. I know he did. Okay, he left. Okay, this is my chance. I'm so nervous. Biggest doomage I've ever done. Oh my god.
I found a stair set of doom that could be almost too doomy to ride. Oh my god! Look how stupid! Oh my god. Yes. Alright boys, we're gonna ride down that on bikes.
Okay, when I'm in, I'm just in. I'm in.
Let's go. Oh, should I do it again? I don't want to push my luck at this location. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Oh.
All right, montage then, next spot.
Drink up Sigma, riz up all night with the skippity got. You won't, but you might. When you're in Ohio with your yacht in the air, waiting to finally be raised. The Elvis you had before, but you don't skip at the Ohio.
Alright, the next thing I want to check out is a little walkway that cuts through a bit of forest. To get to it, we will need to cross the highway, so let's go to the bridge. Oh, what? Is this? Oh yeah, they've got 2 bikes. It's their yeah. So we're gonna cross this bridge, and we'll be there. Okay, and we're almost there. We're just gonna be off to the right here. All this darkness you see, that's gonna be us. I hope my camera can capture all of this for you guys. So I've never actually, oh, it's closed. Going around. So I've never actually been back here before. It's gravel too, okay. But one thing I'm immediately noticing is that this headlight is probably best for street riding when you have lit streets, because this isn't, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not a very wide headlight. Go this way. Yeah, okay, and quick disclaimer, this is not, I'm a little nervy being back here. I would not recommend doing this alone if you are in Seattle, or most places, for that matter. Because you see a lot of folks who will like camp and stuff, and you just don't want to scare anybody, and potentially put yourself in some danger. What's this? Oh, it's so slippy. Perfect time for eco mode.
That's a rat. Oh my god, it's a rat.
Alright, I'm so out of here. I'm just gonna go back a different way than the way I came in. Just to scope out a little more of this place, then I'm heading home. There's some water right there.
Oh, that's fucking gnarly.
I'm lost. Let me focus on getting out of here. Okay. Wait, where's the exit?
Next time on ebike.